What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, another life, another opportunity to try again. In this video, I want to bring you guys along with me to go teach my friend the basic knowledge about forex, not the professional way. Guys know I'm still a beginner. I'm not a professional trader, so I'm still learning for myself. So my friend contacted me that he needed me to teach him how to trade, but not the professional way. I just want to teach him the basic knowledge about forex. So I want to bring you guys along with me to go teach him. So if you are new to this channel, please remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn up your post notifications so that you'll be notified when I post another late video. So let's begin the video. This is a very lonely place, very quiet, very quiet, but I'm still looking for my friend though. I believe to see him. Yeah, very quiet and big place. Wow, beautiful. Wow, a lot of trees, a lot of trees, a lot of trees. Still going to look for him. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I see him. Yeah, what's up, guys? I'm finally with my friend here. Yeah, I told you earlier that I'm coming here to teach him the basics about forex. So finally, I'm here with him. But bro, what you doing, yourself?
Yeah, Obin Kingsley. So I'm here to learn from the best teacher.
I'm not the best, so
I'm here to learn from the best teacher. So we are starting from the basics of forex trading. So I believe from now to, let's say, a month or two more, I'll get better. So thank you.
so you have heard from him now. So I'll catch you guys later. Let's get down. Yeah, I'm finally back to the crib. I'm done with the section with my friend. It was a successful section. So yeah, yeah. The next thing I have to do now, I have to go to the park to whale bill. I want to whale bill something to my brother staying in Umai. So I want to whale bill something to him. So right now I'll be going to the park. I'll catch you guys later. I'll vlog my this thing to the park. So Here is the whale blue. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys when I'm back or when I'm at the park. So see you guys later.